So let's talk about the modular power skid solution.
Let's talk about how things are going on the ground.
Challenges? We don't talk about challenges, we talk about opportunities.
The partnership with Siemens brings us a new product that's very interesting to us, the RMU skid. And that's why we're today looking at the first of kind. The big benefit of the skid is to assemble these two units, RMU and transformer, onto one platform. That enables us to bring this modular construction approach to the site. So on site, we have to set it down. We don't have to connect the RMU to the transformer anymore. So that's faster, cheaper, which is what we're always looking for.
What makes this solution unique is that we provide Compass with something that's complete, something that's tested, something they can put in storage and they can move to different sites. It's fungible. They can use this at any of their sites across the US.
The first impression I had when I saw it is, wow. The size of it and the scalability of it and how this will impact our overall design and our schedules going into construction.
The reason this is a game changer is that it helps both with the customer's site, the integration, the installation, the testing, multiple facets. It's a reduction in cost, a reduction in time, a reduction in labor.
You don't understand. This has never been done before.